Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to transfer a program or apps from one computer to another in Windows 11. So for this case we have to select the program which we want to transfer, then go to the file manager, then press Windows key. Then if we wanna transfer Mongoose is this, which is the part from the MongoDB. Now copy. First of all, we have to check that the file is executed or not. Check, go to enter. Here is the bin file is executing file. A Mongoose SH, which is come from shell. Press C, then press 1. Here we enter the Mongo database. Then if we want to check that actually the database is here present or not, so check show DVS, press the enter. So see, here is lots of database, that HENA database, admin database, Ayesha class 1. Here is a lots of databases presence here. Now we want to transfer these apps or this program to another PC. Then copy. This PC I have USB file. Then go to this file. Then paste here. See, it has come. Now we check again it is executable or not. Click here. Mongoose bin file. Then Mongoose shell. Press. Again we check and enter. Show DVS, check. See, the same database is present here. Here is the another file or another drive. If we press or where we are in Windows local disk C drive. So if we cut this or delete this, then again we wanna transfer this from where? From this USB file or USB drive. So check, then copy where this PC Ayesha Chandni local disk F. We wanna go to the Windows. Then here if we wanna paste, see it's present here. Then click. Then check again. See, it has come. Again we check show DVS. See, the same file is presenting here. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.